Hi, this is Nathaniel from the BYU Software Training Lab. Today I'll be going over the Layers panel in Adobe InDesign. If you've ever used layers in another Adobe program, such as Illustrator, you'll be pretty familiar with how layers work in InDesign as well, as they are very similar. To access the Layers panel, go to Window at the top of the screen, then select Layers. As you can see, I only have one layer, and by clicking the arrow next to the layer, I can see anything that has been created on that layer. Right now, that only includes the one text box that I've created. If I create a rectangle for my background color, like so, we see that it shows up in the Layers panel. Drag the rectangle so that it's beneath my text, thus creating a background color. To create an entirely new layer, click the New Layer icon. I can then reorder my different layers by clicking and dragging them. If I want my background color rectangle to be on a different layer, I could drag it from layer 1 to layer 2. You can also turn on and off the visibility of layers using the little eye icon to the left of the layer. If you click the blank space next to the eye, the layer becomes locked, indicated by the little lock icon, meaning that you cannot edit that layer until after you choose to unlock it. This might be helpful in my situation where I have a rectangle for my background, but I don't want to accidentally be clicking and editing it or moving it while working on other things in my project. One last helpful tip for using layers is that you can create a separate layer for anything on your parent pages. That way, they will always show up. For example, I just added page numbers to my document, as you can see here on my parent pages. But my page numbers aren't showing up because they are being covered by this blue background. I could create a new layer in the Layers panel, make sure that it's on top of all of my other layers, then go to my parent pages and drag those page numbers all the way up into layer 3. Now my page numbers will show up on top of anything else I add on layers 1 or 2. That concludes my tutorial on InDesign's Layers panel. Thanks for watching.